Psalms chapter 105, verse 1. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the peoples. Verse 2, sing to him, sing psalms to him, talk of all his wondrous works. Verse 3, glory in his holy name, let the hearts of those rejoice who seek the Lord. Verse 4, seek the Lord and his strength, seek his face evermore. Verse 5, remember his marvelous works which he has done, his wonders and the judgments of his mouth. Verse 6, oh, seed of Abraham, his servant, you, children of Jacob, his chosen ones. Verse 7, he is the Lord our God, his judgments are in all the earth. Verse 8, he remembers his covenant forever, the word which he commanded for 1,000 generations. Verse 9, the covenant which he made with Abraham and his oath to Isaac. Verse 10, and confirm it to Jacob for a statute, to Israel as an everlasting covenant. Verse 11, saying, to you I will give the land of Canaan as the allotment of your inheritance. Verse 12, when they were few in number, indeed, very few, as strangers in it. Verse 13, when they went from one nation to another, from one kingdom to another people. Verse 14, he permitted no one to do them wrong. Yes, he rebuked kings for their sakes. Verse 15, saying, do not touch my anointed ones, and do my prophets no harm. Amen.